तरुण तेजपाल हांच्या जो वर्डिक्ट दिल्लो म्हापसा कोर्टान आनी सांगिल्लें की ते निर्दोश म्हणून ताका हायकोर्टांत राज्य सरकारान आव्हान दिलां. देर आर मेनी ट्विस्ट्स एंड टर्न्स. ही पयल्याच दिसाक सुरवात जाल्या. किती ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स आनी कितें जातलें ह्या केसीचे मुखार हें आमी जाणून घेतलें. सगळ्यांत पयलीं म्हाका जॉयन जातात आमचे क्रायम आनी लिगल रिपोर्टर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार. Mukesh, tell us what happened in the High Court today and where will this case go?
Pramod, today for the first time this matter came up before the High Court and Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta appeared on behalf of Goa government. There was urgency mentioned by Tushar Mehta saying that there are 2 points because of which High Court has to interfere in this matter urgently. One point was that the trial court at 3 paragraphs has given some reference which reveals the identity of the victim girl. So because the judgment is not uploaded until now on the court's official website, so Tushar Mehta requested the High Court to direct the trial court to correct those paragraphs that identity of the victim girl is not revealed. Accepting that prayer, High Court has directed the trial court to correct those paragraphs and references that identity is not disclosed, and then only it can be uploaded on the website. This was the first major point. Second thing was that Tushar Mehta also said that by this judgment, injustice has been done to a victim girl, and the judgment lacks judicial jurisprudence and the sensitivity in this matter. So this was the very brief hearing today. So court has also given time to the Goa government to amend the petition on the ground that they have received the judgment very late and there was no much time to make full-proof appeal. So 3 days has been given to Goa government to make those amendments, and this hearing will come up again for next hearing on 2nd June.
Mukesh, tell us one thing. Is it true that Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, is representing government of Goa, or rather prosecution in this case? And why so, suddenly?
See, this is Goa government decisions. I don't know what has happened inside, but today suddenly we came to know that Tushar Mehta will appear. So I think government will clarify because there are already public prosecutor in the High Court appointed and they could represent the case. But I think this is very sensitive and high stake case for Goa government. That's why they have approached Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India, to represent Goa. So state has power because this appeal is filed by the state government and Tushar Mehta can represent. So there may be some strategy, of course, but it has to come out from the government side only that why he was requested to represent Goa government.
Thanks a lot, Mukesh. Where do you think this case will go before I let you go? And what are the points based on which state government is challenging this?
See, everybody, even later on, I met Additional Solicitor General of India and I asked him the same question. He said that appeal is filed because there was a situation that identity of the victim could be revealed. That's why they approached the High Court. It was the question raised that why in so hurry state has filed this appeal, whereas judgment is yet to be made available to the parties. So in that reply, they said that identity issue was there. That's why appeal is filed in hurried manner. But later on, they have asked that on the basis of judgment, there are several grounds which will be presented before the High Court, on the which the High Court, trial court has given acquittal wrongly. So next week when this matter will come up, according to the legal procedure, notice will be issued to Tarun Tejpal, and then it will be, I think time will be given to both the parties to prepare the case and make the prayers, and then it will be placed for final hearing as it happens before the High Court in the appeal matters. Pramod?
Thanks a lot, Mukesh. जे कितें घडटा ह्या केसी भितर तें आमी तुमचे मुखार हाडत रावतले. पण आयची ही अपडेट आसा आनी सगळ्यांत तातूंतली इंट्रस्टींग गजाल जी आसा जाल्यार देशाचे सॉलिसिटर जनरल तुषार मेहता हे प्रॉसिक्युशनाक हायकोर्टाक रिप्रेझेंट करतात तरुण तेजपालाच्या केसी भितर. व्हेरी व्हेरी इंट्रस्टींग अपडेट, व्हेरी व्हेरी इंट्रस्टींग डेव्हलपमेंट.